Honestly, bikes fix everything. It's like the best therapy money can buy. Had a bad day? Go for a ride. Had a bad week? Go for a ride. Got dumped or played? Go for a ride. The amount of good memories you get from a bike is phenomenal. Almost like a dream come true. People tell me all the time you're gonna die on that bike. And my response is, to you, riding this bike may seem so dangerous or I may die, but this bike keeps me alive, which is something that you'll never understand. So I'd ask you what keeps you alive, but chances are it's not a bike, because you don't see the ability in this bike's way of saving someone, you only see the dangers. Riding is our way of freeing our thoughts. It helps us deal when life gets us down, so we accept the dangers, because well, when I'm on my bike I have no worries. My bike is the best therapy that money can buy. You know why we love bikes more than anything else? Because some of us have faced breakups, or betrayal of friends, or trust issues of their parents, or any mental breakdown. But when we pull the throttle to the limit sometimes, we feel no pain, no anxiety, and no fear of losing someone. Yes, it's absolutely a dangerous way, but bikes don't leave us alone like people do.
There's a point, 7,000 RPM, where everything fades. The machine becomes weightless. Just disappears. And all that's left is a body moving through space and time. 7,000 RPM. That's where you meet it.